Hello students, welcome to Aspect Technology. This video is about square prism. A square prism of base edge 35 mm. This is the 35 mm edge. Axis is 60 mm. Axis is what? 60 mm is resting on the edge of its base on the HP. HP means horizontal plane. Okay. In this way it is resting. Then axis inclined at 45 degree to the HP. The axis makes an angle 45 degree. Axis makes an angle 45 degree to the HP. If the edge resting on the HP is inclined at 30 degree to the VP, this edge resting in the HP and this edge makes an 30 degree to the VP in this way. 30 degree to the VP. So students, first of all, what you have to do? You have to draw the square such like this. This is the top view and this is the elevation. Okay. So first of all, what we have to do? We have to draw XY line. Okay. Now we have to draw square. Okay, now students, 60 mm height you have to take for the prism. Axis is given is 60 mm. So this is the 60 mm and up to 20 centimeter you can draw the 35 mm square. Okay, from this point we can draw the square. Square given is 35 mm edge. Here we can see this is the 35. From here you have to also take 35 mm line. Okay, this is the square. We have to find the center of the square. This is the axis. Okay students, so here you have to give the numbering. Here we can see this is the 1 2 3 4 and below A, B, C and D. So here we can write down 1 2 3 4 at the top side, bottom side A, B, C and D. Okay, now in elevation here we can see top side is 1 days less 2 days, 3 days less 4 days and at bottom A days less B days, C days less D days. Now students, here axis makes an angle is what? 45 degree to the HP. Okay, so we can take this point and from this point we have to take 45 degree. Axis length is 60 mm, so we can draw 60 mm line. Okay, then 90 degree you have to draw two vertical line. Here we can see this is the 35 mm, so we can take 35 mm. 1 2 3 and 35 mm. axis make an angle 45 mm. Axis makes an angle 45 degree. So this axis makes an angle 45 degree. Okay, now students, here you have to write down, these are the A dash slash B dash, these are the C dash slash D dash, and these are the 1 dash slash 2 dash and 3 dash slash 4 dash. Okay, now we have to take the vertical projection. Okay, and from here horizontal projection we have to draw. Okay, now we have to check A and A dash intersection is this A, B and B dash intersection is this B, C and C dash intersection is the D and D and D dash intersection is this. Same way 1 and 1 intersection is this 1, this is 2, this is 3 and 3 dash intersection is this 4 and 4 dash intersection is this. Now we have to join AB, B to C, A to D. Now students, C to D we have to join as a dotted line. Why we have to join as a dotted line? Because from the top view you can't see the CD edge this way. This is the CD edge. Okay, so from top view you can see 1 2 3 4 and AB, and you can't see the CD edge, this C and the D. Okay, now students, if the edge resting on the HP is inclined 30 degree to the VP. Okay, so students, this CD edge makes an angle 30 degree to the VP. So what you have to do, you have to take from this point (30°). This is the line. Okay, now CD is what, 35 mm. So you can take from this point, we can draw, this is the D, and from 35 mm you can mark C. This is the C and this is the D. Now from this 2 point you have to draw the vertical line. Okay, now we have to draw this figure. So here we can see this distance is what, 10, 20 and 24. So this is A, and 2 and 3 we have to draw So here we can measure from C 20 centimeter and this. Okay, here we can see this is what 20 and 44. So from this point 20 and 44. So this is 2 and this is 3 and this is A. Okay, D to A distance is what? 24. So here we can tag 24. This is what? A. Okay, this is B, students. Okay, this is B. This A and this B. You can join. Okay, now from here we can see 20 and 44. From this point 20 it is 1 and 24 it is 4. Now you have to join this. We have to also join this, and this is the dotted line which we can't see from the top side. Okay, so A, B, C and D, and here we can say that 1 2 3 4. Now you have to take the vertical projection. Okay, now horizontal projections. From AB, from 3 4 and from 1 and 2. Okay, now we have to just see A to A intersection is what? A, this is the A and this is the A. A and A intersection is this. This is the A. B and B intersection is, here we can see this is the B and this is the B. C and C intersection is this. This is the C. D and D intersection is this. This is the D. A, B, C and D. Okay. Now 1 and 1 intersection is this one. 2 and 2 intersection is this. 2. 3 and 3 intersection is this. 4 and 4 intersection is this. 1 2 3 4 you have to make as a dark, because it will completely show as a square. But in ABCD we have already discussed, CD we unable to see, so CD we have to do as a dotted. Okay, so here we can see 2 2. Here we can see 2 to B we have to join. 3 to C. And 4 to D we have to join. C to D we have to join. Okay, now students, here this is the A. A to D we have to join as a dotted, and A to B we have to join as a dotted. because this portion we unable to see from the elevation. 1 to A you have to join as a dotted. Okay students, so this is the scenario. Clear? In this scenario, here we can see this 1 to A and A to D and A to B we unable to see, so we draw as a dotted. Okay so 1 2 3 4 completely we can see. Here we can see the B C D from this side, and this portion we have to draw as a dotted. Okay students, so this is the answer. This is the 30° and edge length is what? 35 mm. Axis length is what? 60 mm. This is the 35 mm edge, and axis is what? 60 mm. I hope all of you have cleared this thing. Thank you students. If you like this video, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you students. If you like this video, you can subscribe my channel.